Today on the workbench, I've been burdened by my most hated phone to ever work on. This one is a HTC M9 or HTC One M9, which this one, the only reason I decided to touch it was because the issue with it was extremely simple. This particular one has a jammed power button. It had something dropped on it, squished the button in, and from there it's just turning itself on and off, on and off, on and off. So a relatively simple fix on this one, which my plan is remove both the SIM tray, the SD card tray, and then I need to remove a plastic bit up the top here, which is a thin plastic blade. It's just glued down. And then there's two T5 screws hidden underneath this one. So there's two of those, and then from there you can pry to get into the phone. Screws are removed. It should be relatively safe to pry. Now this is going a lot easier than it normally would, especially on one of these in good condition. This one's frame is particularly banged up, so I can use a bit less care trying to open it, and it also is giving me a fair bit less resistance trying to open it. So if you had a good condition one of these, you might want to use it rather than use a metal tool, use a plastic tool. But you also got to be careful not to damage that screen. Pain in the ass. So this particular one has quite a few flex cables connecting from the main board to various daughter boards. The other thing I hate is the layout of the phone essentially goes screen, battery, main board, back cover. So any repair on this particular model is just an absolute pain in the ass, where I think I've looked at these twice in the past, and apart from fixing up a small thing like this one, which is purely just the rear assembly, rear cover needs some panel beating, I wouldn't touch these. I've seen people come in with them with power issues, battery issues, cracked displays. Don't want to see them, not going to touch them. Anyway, I'll catch you later.